Now I have to wait for 10 seconds for me to be able to record this. Now that's ridiculous. Like seriously, I can't do that. Anyway, welcome. This is another good morning, and I wanted just to show you how you can create beautiful mind maps like the one you are seeing on your computer screen within minutes. If it will take more minutes, I guess it will be only 3 minutes. Now the first thing that you need to do is to create a new document and change the layout of your document. Right now I am on the portrait, so I'll switch to landscape. Once you have done that, you have a big area to work with. Now change the margins and select the narrow margin so that you can have even more space to work with. Once you are done with that, you can tweak the document color so that you can have a beautiful area to work with. Now this is a trick that many people don't know, but it works in Microsoft Word. If you double click anywhere and type, Microsoft Word will start your document from that point, and that is the secret that we are going to use when creating these mind maps. So let me just delete everything. Now I want to replicate this beautiful mind map over here. Let me just change the page color so that you can see how it looks with a different page color. Now that one looks very good. So let us go back to our document, and maybe we want to create a restaurant mind map. So we will start with the main chef. So let's do, so remember the trick that I have talked about, that is double click anywhere and start your mind map there. So we have the chef. Now from the chef I want to have maybe we have the what, let me see, we have the kitchen. Now from the kitchen, now this is not centered, so I'll just delete it and try and make it centered so that they can go a long way with the chef. Then I'll click somewhere around this area and select maybe, now in the kitchen you can find things like the spoons. Actually I'm just trying to find items so that I can just fill out this space and we can create the mind map a whole lot easier. So we have the spoons out. Now after the spoons we can put something like the serving, what do we call them, the serving, okay, let's just say serving. Then we can, now from this we can go to the table. Now we can go to dining. Now you have already served the meal, so you have to dine. Here you can have the plates, or I think plates really, or what, yeah, plates. Then we have like yeah, we have the dining, we have the plates, we have the food itself, and yeah. Now let's go to the process of eating. Now we come here and say the eating process. Yeah, this is very, not just like a video I've not created. No, this is where people will eat. People will eat food from this point. Oh my god, this is very funny. Now there we have it, and what we need to do is to create this as a linear mind map, so it won't have those beautiful, because when we link these using lines, the above part here, it will look very beautiful like this, but we want it to be linear like this one, the supplier up to the customer. So we'll start somewhere around here, and let's say we have yeah, now this is the guy. Now so we have man, oh my god, man, okay, yeah, man takes the spoon, you get the idea. This is just for creativity purposes. So he gets the spoon, puts it, he'll put this spoon in the what, this, the plate, and the plate that has food, and now double click somewhere around here. and take first bite. Yeah, bite. Take first bite and maybe chew. You get the idea. This is ridiculous. Now chew the food and then swallow. Now that's it. Now we have content to work with. That is all I wanted to do. Now the second thing that you should do is if you look at my tabs above here, I have a new tab. Now in this new tab I have these shapes. Let me show you how to do it. So go to your file, options, and customize the ribbon. So customize the ribbon, and from the drop down select commands. Now scroll down until you find the shapes section right here. So we have the shadows, then we have the shapes. Create a new group. So I'll just come here and create a new group and call it, now just right click on this and rename it, then select, like that is okay. Then just rename this into maybe something like shapes so that you can easily remember. So we have shapes, then add the items now. So add that into shapes. We can have the shape fill added there, shape outline, and maybe what, I guess that's all, shape effects, but we don't really need that. Then click OK. Now you'll have this new tab and it has shapes and shape outline and fill. Now that is the second thing that we are going to use. So let us get started. We want to connect our items so that they can be connected as such. Now the line that I used here is called right here. As you can see, this is the item that I used. So I'll just click that, come here to spoons, and as you can, okay, it's really it takes a lot of time, so just draw it anyhowly, then come to rotate here and click rotate left. Oh, that rotation is very awkward, so I'll just rotate it once more that way so that it takes the direction that I want it to. Then just minimize it a little, drag it so that it fits. Then now the shape styles that we imported, you can either use this or select from the predefined ones, and I kind of like this brown color. Is it brown really? No, it's accent 2. Anyway, I don't even want to know what that means. All I want to is create the outline, and that is great. Now as you can see, it's kind of taking over the kitchen, so I'll just put the kitchen. Oh, that's very high, so I'll just put the name kitchen around this. So I'll just delete it, then double click and paste it where you want to. It's that easy. Then I can minimize this and just have it right there. Then I can pull it a little bit, and that's very good. Now I want to connect chef and kitchen, and we cannot use that shape, so I'll come to my new tab, shapes, and select maybe a single line or this line that has an arrow, but I would prefer this, so I'll just take it from the name chef. And to maintain symmetry of these items, it's very important that you make them be on the same line like that. Yeah, that's very good. Now let's go ahead and select our fill, and that is okay. Now I have my chef here, now that's okay. Then double click and put your chef. Oh no, not there. Double click and paste your name chef there. Now that looks a bit better. Don't worry about the filling that I have done. That I will show you that in a minute. Now Let us connect the others. We have now from the spoons to the dining. Now for us to move to the serving to dining, we need to maybe just have one line connecting either serving to dining or spoons to dining. So let us go ahead and do that. I'll take this that has an arrow, so I'll just click where I want it to start up to where I want it to end and release it. Then come here and select my fill shape. That's very nice. Now we are going somewhere. From here I can either click on this and duplicate it so that I can use it down here, or I can just come to shapes and find another shape that fits the purpose. I have this. Let's see how it works. Now there it is. Now but once, if you can look at this shape and just rotate it manually, and if you look at it, it doesn't have this small pointer that faces upwards, and that is one of the reasons that I don't like using it, but I will show you how to fix that. So just shrink it a little like that, then give it the fill, and I'll have it have this for consistency purposes. Then using this arrow, create a short arrow connecting the dining to this line. As simple as that. So let's go here, shapes, and pick one. So I'll use this one, and it will connect dining to this guy down here like that. Then release it, select your shape style, and that's very nice. So we have progressed very well. Now you only have to do this, the eating process. Don't mind about it, it is not centered as compared to the linear or version of it, so you can just delete it and double click anywhere along this line and paste it there. Now it has pushed my words down, and I don't want that, so just make sure there's not that huge. Now I can just delete that one space below that line. Now that's very nice. Now what we want to do is use these bold shapes so that it feels nice with the linear version. So to do that, just go to new tab, shapes, then select, I used an arrow, this arrow right here, and just place this arrow where you want it to start up to where you want it to end, like that. Then select the fill, and I kind of like that, but I used the black one. So you can select from all these types of styles. It's just the one that you feel suits your project. So I'll go with the black. I kind of like the black one, and if you wanna take it to the next level, you can add a glow, and to do that, just come here, go to the glow, and just do a yellow one. No, I guess this feels better. Now we don't have to go back to shapes and select this arrow. What we can do is simply click Ctrl C to copy it and Ctrl V to paste it, and drag it to the next part like that. Then copy this, paste it, and take it to the next section. Then do the now do the same for the rest. Just there, copy, paste, and like that. Then shrink it a little bit so that it fits. Copy, paste, and here we go. We are so done with this. There we are. Now that looks better, but we need to connect this to the linear. that is the eating process to its linear version. So click new tab, shapes, and select our first arrow here. Then just draw anywhere like that. You can rotate it manually like this, or you can go to the rotation tab here and select the rotation. So just click this and drag it where I want it to. So it will start from here and end at swallowing. Oh my god, this is very I have never used an example like this before. It's really amazing. Now select the fill, and that's it. You did it. Now we have already done the larger part of this project. Now what we need to do now is to add these nice rounded boxes to our elements. So to do that, let us go back to shapes, then select any, but in this case we are going to use the rectangles. So I'll go to the rounded rectangles and just draw it around the area that you want it to fit, like that. Let us first of all draw everything, but there's something I want to show you now. To make this rectangle visible, now the text that is beneath that rectangle to be visible, you'll need to come here to this arrange tab here and click bring take it backward behind the text, like that. Now the text will be visible, and you can customize it so that if the text feels as if it is in the middle, like that. Now let us go ahead now and first of all draw all the rectangles, and then I will show you a quick way to customize or to enable that function. So let us first of all draw everything. So very quick, just draw, select it again, draw, select it again, draw. Actually you can just copy and paste, but I like drawing. It kind of feels good. Now the next one I'll just copy and paste. So there, I just drop it a little so that the arrow is visible right there. We can just make it bigger and shrink, take this arrow a little backward, like that. Then I'll just copy this, paste it, and bring it there, copy paste that one, and take it there. Now I have to draw this, it's very huge, so just take this and draw everything like that. Wow, that's better. Then I want to draw the rest, just copy and paste, take this one, and yeah, take that, and oh my god, that word is very too small for this. Copy and paste, bring it over here, there we go, copy paste, and right here, there we go. Wow, we are doing it. And then let me just draw the last three, just right there and up to that point. Draw the next one from this point to this point, and the last one is that to take from that point to that point. Now let us now bring our text. First of all, let us change this style, because I did forget to actually change this one. It's blue and I don't want a blue, I want it, I don't know the color exactly, but I think it's brown or something. Now you tell me in the comments, because I am actually not good with colors, I just use them. Oh my god, I'm just messing when I have left only two, and then I kind of mess everything. Now that's better. Now I won't mess this time around. So come to our tabs. No, design. What is happening with me? I want to change this to, nope, no, 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 no. Something has ran away. Yeah, this tab here, format tab. I don't know where it went, but I couldn't see it when I selected the linear part this below. So I want to change the fill to brown and automatically send this back to behind the text like that. Then again select this. I want to do that mistake again of releasing. Oh my god, that is the mistake. So it is making the format tab to disappear, and I don't like that. So change this to brown and send the everything behind the text. Now we have our mind map and it looks amazing. What do you think? Now we can change the page color to white or to anything. Now actually white is the default, and you get the idea. You can just tweak it around so that you have a nice feeling. And that's it. That is how you create mind maps using Microsoft Word. I hope you enjoyed the short tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.